especially in classics. If you haven't checked these cars out or had a chance to ride or drive in one, you're missing out. 2011 Cadillac CTS-V Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed actual mileage at just a little over 13,000 on this one is all. Of course, a 6.2 liter supercharged V8 underneath the hood, paired up with a manual transmission, 6-speed. This car produces 556 horsepower and 551 pound-feet of torque. Quite impressive for a luxury coupe. Take a look at the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there if you're seeing it on YouTube. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Cadillac wheels, Michelin Pilot Sport all-season radials, just installed in 2023. Not many miles on those at all. Take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of any major dings, nicks, or scratches. Also left the passenger window up. I wanted to show you, it does have tinted windows. So know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. This one is equipped with the optional sunroof, as well as the optional paint on this one, which is a crystal red tint coat. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. If you look in the still pictures, there'll also be a picture of the Windows sticker in there, so you can see exactly how this car is equipped. I did mention it has the optional sunroof with power tilt. It also has a Recaro high performance seats in it. And of course, all your standard features that you're going to get on the CTS-V. A little over $70,000 brand new, I believe it was. Take a look down the passenger side here, and again, you can see free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. We'll check out the interior, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek at the engine bay. Stick around to the very end of the video. We're also going to drive this car so you can see how it goes down the road. There were just a couple real small minor spots up on the hood where it's had a little bit of a touch-up here or there, just due to a real small rock chip, what have you. Wanted to point those out. Take your time looking through the still pictures. And remember, we do have an open door policy with third-party inspectors. Wanted somebody to come take a peek at this one because you can't make it due to time or distance. Not a problem. Remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, and just a little over 13,000 miles on this one. All right, real quick, and we'll start it up so we don't have to listen to that door chime. Of course, memory seating, power windows, power locks, bullet system, power mirrors, power seats, and again, the Recaro racing style seats, absolutely very comfortable. Front seats in this car. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll get rid of that chime. All right, so there's a 6.2 liter supercharged V8 underneath the hood. Of course, all your steering wheel controls. This will also have a nav system to it with a power nav screen. I'm pushing the button right down below to raise it up. Exact miles 13,060. You can see the gauges are working. There's no check engine lights, service engine soon, anything like that. Just the seat belt light down here since I don't have that on. Driver's information buttons right down here. Take a look at the dash. I don't really come up with any surprises on this one. Nice looking car. Of course, electronic dual climate control, heated and ventilated seats. That 6-speed manual transmission. You also have the suede steering wheel, and then I mentioned earlier, leather Recaros with the suede inserts. Be able to check out the still pictures, see every angle of that interior. Sounds good. Nothing crazy over the top for exhaust note, unless you're on it, on the highway driving it. These things have a great sound to them. If you like sports cars like this, if you like classic cars, antique cars, like checking them out, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Seriously, you never know what may be coming through here and having a video done that you can check out. Let's go ahead and look at the engine bay on this car. And remember, very end of the video, we're going to drive it. Here's a look at the underside of the hood. Hood liner, nice and clean and tidy. I don't think this car has really been driven in much spring climate weather. Take a look at this engine bay, same way. What you'd expect out of a newer vehicle with only a little over 13,000 miles on it. And again, with a clean Carfax. Of course, strut tower brace. Powerful, fun driving cars, no doubt about that. 2011 Cadillac CTS-V Coupe. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2011 Cadillac CTS-V. This would be a two-door. We have a sunroof over our head. It's a 6-speed manual with lots of power and lots of luxury. Very refined, very easy to drive, fun to drive car. Strong acceleration in this Cadillac. Everything appears to be working and the gauges are looking good. We even have a boost gauge. Factory radio sounds great. Suede and leather seats, suede on the steering wheel. I would call it a performance sedan, probably. Smooth, quiet ride. Of course, power everything, multiple positions on the seat. Brakes work excellent. The odometer showing 13,063 miles currently. Nice and low. Finding one of these used like this is an excellent bargain. There it is, really fun to push that throttle down and all the way up to 6th gear. Very nice car, clean inside and out. Perfectly straight down the highway, no alignment issues. Handling is great. Corners very well. Look at all the pictures and learn more about this Cadillac at uniqueclassiccars.com.